You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ayo.
Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at our destination.
Turn the camera the wrong way, man.
No, this is exactly the right way to do it. We're at the Kotawata village.
Oh, we're at the Kotawata village. Dawn, and there's
Bloody
the
hell.
rooms are being cleaned.
Bloody hell.
Fucking hell, mate.
Oh shit. I'm sorry, Ami Dada, don't listen to that.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Are you excited to go on the safari?
Explain to me why this is a bad idea.
Because it's
We're not gonna see any animals.
2:20 in the afternoon.
Yeah, but
They're all sleeping.
but you get to spend time with all your
buffalo,
friends.
maybe.
So we can spend time together.
You will see a buffalo.
But there is the off chance that we might see an elephant.
A crow.
So there was an elephant right outside.
You're the most excited to go on this safari, right?
Okay. From 0 to 10,
Yeah.
like 0 minus 1 excited.
That's still a value, nevertheless.
An insignificant value.
Anyways, we're all excited to go on safari. End the
No,
story.
we're not.
And we are going on it. It's my decision.
No, we're not.
We are in a safari van. This is so good. Look at it. The drone shot. Woo! Wow, damn. Drone shot. Woo! Hello, co-workers. Hello. It's gonna get demonetized now. This is so awesome. It's so awesome.
Oh my god!
It's awesome.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust.
Got proper wet because it rained. We got soaked. Gosh. I don't know if you can see this, but and then it stopped raining, and I think it's gonna be better from now on. Did you guys get soaked?
Yeah.
The best seats in the house are apparently the worst seats.
When you out, keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to buy a new camera, because this camera is not weather sealed. To the Udawalawe, to the Udawalawe National.
You want me to take you in my trust.
How was the trip?
I got soaked.
Really?
Yes. And it was all your fault.
The other way around.
But these are the best seats.
Like, look, I'm dirty all over.
For once you're dirty in your life. Drone shot.
In this game, you got to get it up. But you got to.
No, these guys are saying that they didn't want to come, right? They're like, this is actually kind of fun.
We are not having fun. We are not having fun. We are having a good time.
It was totally fun. Hi, Natasha.
Hi.
Oh. So Belinda got away with not having to buy a foreigner's ticket because she's not a foreigner.
I'm not foreign.
Guys, just take a look at all the clouds on the other side.
It's magnificent. It's magnificent.
It's gonna rain really bad. It's gonna rain really, really bad. This is really, really bad.
Really
Bad. It's really. What is it?
Really.
But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to.
So there's a real possibility that we might not make it out of this jungle because of that. We almost died once. If somebody, whoever sees this video, doesn't stop making fun. This is an intense moment.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming.
We've gone into waterproof mode. I was just explaining to Belinda that because it's raining and we're wet, we don't have to go back and shower.
But the last days in real life I've noticed, losing focus, breaking up from a
We are in the wilderness. I shall do whatever it takes to produce an amazing vlog. And we have the armpit Manu. The arm. Drone shot.
high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Isn't how I wanted to.
Once again, we are faced with the perilous task of traffic.
Someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener than
Turning back. Oh. Been an amazing vlog. We have come to the end of the route.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming.
Tried out all my equipment. That was slightly pretty wet situation.
Boom, it's the next day. And we are heading out of this shape, pick a nice place.
Am I in the vlog?
Yeah.
Hi.
And we are going to see elephants. We're gonna feed the elephants.
We're gonna feed the elephants.
We're gonna feed the elephants hopefully. Jananda, did you like the place?
Yeah.
Sriram, did you like the place?
Yeah.
Awesome. So it's an A, maybe like an A minus for this place.
Last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it.
Last time I came here, last year, a couple of malnourished elephants.
Yes, we have some valuable insight from Manoj Kodigara about the malnourished what?
Elephants.
Elephants. Baby elephants.
Baby elephants, big buffaloes.
So Manager continues to be a buzzkill in this trip. Moving on.
We came to feed the elephants, but they don't let us feed the elephants, so we have to just watch them feeding the elephants.
Are you excited about this?
I really want it.
Honesty at its utmost.
Thank you. Thank you.
Picture isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed.
It's like a machine. I have to keep moving.
So you wait for it?
You're the one doing the work here, right?
Kinda, yeah.
Do it. Count and everything.
I'm tired, but
Do like
sleepy.
This is Mr. Udesh malinga.
Hello.
He's my camera too. He's amazing. Oh. And she's my cameraman too. I'm gonna steal footage of his amazing iPhone. It's not so amazing.
Did you say amazing iPhone?
I know it's hard to believe, but
Subscribe to Jayawaves.
oh, one day. We're ending the vlog. We're ending the vlog.
Take number 3.
Okay.
unsubscribe to Jayawaves.
Yeah, you guys heard it here.
Subscribe to Kids Bob, which is our channel. Thank you.
Links in the description.
Yes.
Not.